Hello engineers, there is an update for you by Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited. They have released vacancies for the different posts which are listed here. Executive Trainee Electrical 13 posts are released, Executive Trainee Finance 8 posts are released, Executive Trainee HR 10 posts are released, Executive Trainee in Geology 2 posts are released, Executive Trainee in Law 1 post is released, Executive Trainee in IT 2 posts are released, then Assistant Company Secretary Trainee 1 post is released. For this, the compensation is in the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000. The monthly emoluments include 50,000, then DA on the basic pay, house rent allowance, then you have cafeteria that is 35% of basic pay, then location based allowance which is 10% of basic pay, 12% of basic pay plus DA against Provident Fund. Then you have 9% of basic pay plus DA against. So if you add all these up, it will sum up to rupees 1 lakh rupees per month. The essential qualifications required is for electrical, the candidate should possess BE BTech degree in electrical engineering along with a valid GATE 24 scorecard. For executive trainee in finance, you require CA, CMA plus membership certificate. For executive trainee in HR, you will be requiring an MBA oblique PG in HR plus UGC NEET 2024 June cycle score. Then for executive trainee in geology, you require a degree in MSc or MTech in applied geology. Along with that, you require GATE 24 scorecard. For executive trainee in law, you require an LLB plus CLAT PG 2025 score. For executive trainee in IT, you require a BE BTech degree in computer science or information technology. Along with that, those students who have done BSc or MCA, especially BSc in computer science, are also eligible for this post, and the students who have also done MCA in computer science are also eligible for this executive trainee in IT. For assistant company secretary in trainee, you require CS plus ICSI membership. In this, the minimum requirement is the candidate should secure 65% marks in the graduation degree. This criteria is relaxed for SC, ST category students for 55%. Minimum of 55% marks will be required for SC, ST category students in the graduation degree. Next, the documents required is you require a 10th class certificate, examination certificate as a proof of date of birth. You will requiring a mark sheets from 10th, 12th, then degree certificate, or if you have done MTech program, for that also the certificate is required. Next, you require a GATE 2024 scorecard if you are applying for the post of executive trainee in electrical and for IT. You will requiring a caste certificate if you belong to SC, ST and OBC non-creamy layer. If you are applying through EWS category, then EWS certificate in the prescribed format by Government of India will be required. Along with that, a passport size colored photograph and signature will be required for uploading these documents while applying. How to apply this? You can visit the website of NEEPCO. After that, you can go through the detailed advertisement notification which will be available in the website. After that, you need to apply online, uploading all these documents, and you need to pay the fee. So if you belong to general or EWS and OBC category, you need to pay a fees of 560 rupees. For other category student, this form is filled. Once you have filled the online application form, based on your GATE score, you will be shortlisted for an interview. Your final selection will be based on your GATE score and the interview marks. The important dates are the online application is starting from 21st of February and the last date of applying is 13th of March. So please take care of this important information if you are interested for the post released by Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited. We at IMS GATE Academy, we provide you with the different courses. One of them is the online program where we are providing you with 800 hours of live teaching with interaction. We give you theory and exercise book containing 4,000 practice questions well versed in level 1, level 2 and level 3 so that you have a proper idea about your preparation level. We are providing you with a 33-year of GATE question bank in which we provide the detailed solution, alternate solution, video solution with key points in chapter overview. We are providing with a 12 personalized one-to-one mentoring session, the flagship program offered by IMS GATE Academy, which will help you to align your preparation, make a proper preparation plan and stay motivated throughout the preparation journey. We are providing you with 130 plus online tests starting from the chapter test, subject test, multiple subject test, advanced subject test, along with the full length mock test. If you want to know more about our courses, there's a link provided to you in the description box. You can book a free counseling session where our EAs can connect with you and can discuss more about the courses that we are offering. You can join our Telegram group, for which the link is provided to you in the description box. We regularly post these job notifications update in the Telegram group. You can also enjoy the daily quizzes. We regularly conduct the seminars and webinars to make you aware about the present scenario and the upcoming job opportunities in the engineering segment particularly. Next, we are offering this zero fee program. Again, you will get the link of this zero fee program in the description box, where 50 hours of free content is available to you to make a choice about IMS GATE Academy. We are also providing you the 3 free GATE chapter tests. Along with that, we are providing you with GATE 2024 paper with complete solution and one personalized guided session. So this is all for free in our zero fee program. This is the list of our toppers who have secured well in the GATE examination. You can be the next one of us, which are listed here, and you can have a photo in this slide. So thank you so much. I hope this information was useful to you. If you have liked this information, don't forget it to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.